you have cash and you want to invest. Now is a good time, even if the rates are high.
So I always tell them, if you can hold on to it, hold on a little longer, because what we're seeing right now in terms of average prices are the lowest we've seen in years. But some people are selling and buying in the same market. So depending on what type of property you're selling and what type of property you're getting into, it could actually be beneficial for you. And
You're buying low and selling low, right?
yeah,
So
but sometimes when you're selling, you're not selling as low as what you're buying.
True.
And I'll give you a great example. We had a client that had the same dilemma, because we could have sold their property originally when we talked to them for easily 20% more than what we actually ended up selling it right now. But what they ended up buying, and they were buying, way north of Toronto. They bought a huge property, and that property from the peak was probably down 35%. So they sold, we ended up actually selling it, I would say their property roughly around 12-13% below the peak of the market, but they ended up buying something 35% below the peak of the market, which works out for them. And same thing for people that are usually upgrading. So if in this market you're upgrading, let's say you got a detached home, average detached home that's trading around the 1.2, 1.3 million, and you're getting into the luxury market has been hit way harder than the average stuff. So you're buying those property at way more of a discount.
So upsizers are a good time right now.
Yeah. Can you give us a little bit of background, general market conditions that are happening right now? Because there's a lot of wild things.
Yeah. So we'll
on.
get into it. Right now, the average price in Toronto is sitting at around $1,020,000, so in the low millions. And we're right now, at the time of recording, we're in September. We haven't seen average prices this low ever.